Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giants. In this video, we'll learn how to fix locked Snapchat account. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. If your Snapchat account is locked, it may be due to a security concern or a violation of the app's terms of service. If you're seeing this kind of interface while you open your Snapchat, then it might be possible that your Snapchat account is locked. So here are the steps you can take to fix a locked Snapchat account. First, go ahead and open up your web browser and then search for support.snapchat.com. This will lead you to the Snapchat Support Center. Now from here, you'll get an insight on why your account was locked. Now scroll down and tap on Contact Our Support Team under My Account Has Been Locked because it was compromised section. Now from here, select your issue. And now scroll down and enter your username, your email, and your mobile number. Also, make sure to briefly explain your issue and request the team to unlock your account as soon as possible. And once you're done, select the submit button. Once the request is sent to the team, you'd receive a confirmation link or a message on your phone number or your email address, and open the message if you get it immediately, and if not, it would take up to 24 to 36 hours for your issue to be fixed. If you already have received the message, open the link, and now you can create a new password for your account. With this, your account would be unlocked. So we hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.